Hi guys, welcome to Bridgerton Investments. So sorry I didn't record any video during the previous week because I was actually enjoying my time during Christmas, and I wanted to stay away from markets, trading, investments, etc. I don't want to see my portfolio because market is still performing very bad, and I am little frustrated about this. There is no much good economic data. How much I would tip I keep buying. The market keeps the rally seems to be never coming. I'm let me be honest with y'all. If this is continuing, there is not much going to be any change in 2026 as well. 2026 is going to be the same way. you know uh, no 2026, unless we get any good news that India has significantly reduced tariff with US, or more trade deals are coming, good trade deals. We wouldn't see a good rally coming into the market. All we can hope is the company presents good earnings, and we can see a good rally coming soon into the Indian market. There's no much news to be talking about yet. So I was also hesitant. Should I really be making a video today? Because this is not market is still the same way like you saw it. There's no much good macro coming out. I'm not blaming anyone here, but I am frustrated that we are heavily dependent. Indian market is dependent heavily on FIIs. I'm not sure what is the deal with FIIs in Indian markets. This is not crypto. Why? First, we need to. I have two questions. Why are we heavily dependent on FIIs? Where you want pump into the market, uh, they'll just keep pumping and dumping. That's all FII does. They are not some magicians or something. They'll keep buying, buying, buying. India is not appealing to a lot of investors. Surprisingly, I just opened up. I was just randomly looking at. Uh, I'm going to get a lot of hate on this. I'm going to be getting a lot of hate on this. Surprisingly, one sec, if I can open it. What is it? KSC. Yeah, Pakistan Stock Exchange. It very good performance. This year. It keeps making all time high. If I like since its dip of Pahalgam attack, it rallied 71%. What about India? Even this is Keep in mind, Pahalgam attack, since his recent dip during Pahalgam attack, it rallied 71%. What about Indian markets? A third largest economy, Pakistan is in big trouble. What about Indian markets? Only rallied 8%. Why is it happening? Because there is no good support from the government at all. Only 9% rally, that's it. And Pakistan Stock Exchange, uh, 71%. Because this, we need to be asking question to Indian government only. Because what they're doing, I don't understand. When troublesome, which according to them, troublesome countries are doing 71% year to year, whereas a fastest growing economy is only giving 9% growth year to year. Why is this happening? I'm not sure. We need to ask this question to government. And thing is, even more frustrating it is, I keep losing on this shorting the stocks. These guys don't. It doesn't rally that to that extent now. You know, Cupid, for example. My God, 527, 524, 525% rally over the year-to-year detail, and it came from 75 to 70 bucks rupees, and rally to from 77 rupees to all the way to 487 rupees. And you look at its fundamentals, it has a valuation like a tech or a semiconductor company. This is neither of them. It's not an AI company. It's not an AI company. Neither what do I say? Uh, what do I say? This is neither a AI company nor a semiconductor company, neither an electronic company of the booming stage. This is just they just make sex products. That's it. It's just a sex product company. And if these other companies which is rallying, whereas good companies were actually producing good amount, good cash flow, good, they don't rally. I'm very frustrated. I am very sorry to say Indian market is officially the worst stock market in the world. Because if you look at compared to a troublesome country, this is running this much, and Indian markets only this much. I'm sorry to say, India economy is not what I expected. You know, I am, and if it keeps continuing this way, I don't think my dream of launching an uh, hedge fund will come to fruition. Uh, all we can hope is individual company does a better performance, and that's it. We can go because this has just become a catalyst based companies. That's all. Catalyst based market. Indian markets are just a catalyst based market. There's no good rally, no good hype, anything. They all the government is just doing talk, no action, not nothing from the government. I just hate that, just hate it, that if Indian government, anyone from the Indian government is watching, can you give me this justification why year to year, why since the Pahalgam attack, uh, uh, okay, I'll properly not show the data. Why since that, where is it? Here I think the Pahalgam attack has happened. Yeah. Why since the Pahalgam attack, Indian market has rallied, Pakistani market has rallied 71% almost, whereas this is just from March. This is since only that June to today. Okay, whereas uh, Indian market is only up 9%. No stock market. I can also open the ruler and show. I'll open the X full terminal and ruler and show. Why? One day. I'll just take one day daily time frame. Uh, you know, yeah, only up 19%, whereas Pakistan market 71%. Uh, this is what is very troublesome to me. And only thing I am bullish on next year is, unless something magical, I'll keep accumulating no matter what, because they are good companies. Might just buy the whole company is better. If you want only Reliance Adani to be in, if you want this to be a monopolistic market, then Indian market is going to be the worst performing market of it. 27% rally. And thank God I'm an investor in Reliance industry. If it wasn't for this, then my whole portfolio would be down. I'll keep accumulating every dip buying opportunity I'll see. Not from this month. This month, all my investment is done, and I'm thinking of taking a break from trading. If I'm trading, I'll only trade with a small capital. That's it. I'll only trade with a small capital as well, because there is no sign of a bearish nor a bullish. So I am very frustrated about my spot and my trading portfolio. And this is another news which I wanted to show you is Bharat Electronics is receiving more fresh order, and that is why this and I'm finally starting to see good news here as well. Bharat Electronics will be gaining more hype next year. So yeah, we'll see, and it's a sign of a good company. And funny part is Zomato will keep getting up hype. They call Zomato the Nvidia of India, but this is the real Nvidia of India. So I'm not very frustrated with the market. Thank God I added more gold into my portfolio. Now I was hesitant, should I buy gold? Gold is for losers. Thank God I bought more gold. I'll keep buying more. Any more dip buying opportunity, I'll keep buying more. I'll keep buying more gold. I gotta see which one of my stock. Reliance crashed heavily today. Reliance, a lot of good companies crashed today. Well, Bharat, BLS International. So yeah, that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.